Hey guys, good to have you everyone here. Today I'm going to show you something interesting about Kali Linux, how to install it. First of all, I'm going to download the Kali Linux from official website. I have provided the official website link in the below link too. Before going with Kali Linux installation, let's go with VMware already bundled package because installation may take time, and also it is recommended to install it in VMware so that you can revert back the machine whenever you require. This is the official page of Kali Linux where you can download Kali Linux. In Kali Linux, I'm going to download this 64-bit VM. This is a VMware tool. I'm just suggesting this to beginners. If you're expert, you can go with VirtualBox. VirtualBox is lighter one, and if you're a beginner, you just go with VMware tool. I'm going to download this. I already downloaded this VMware file. It is almost 2 GB. I have provided that link in below description too. You can download that. I just cancel this now. I'll just have this file already, and I have already extracted this file too. This is a file. It is a zip file. It is 2 GB almost. Yeah, I have extracted this. Yeah, this is the extracted file which you will have. Here we just import it. I'll show you how to import it in VMware workstation. I already have instructed something about installation of VMware workstation in one of my blog. You can find that link to here. Yeah, in that extracted file you can find a Kali Linux VMX file. VMX file is a bundled file where all the configurations are enabled, like coding, programming. All these files will be indicated in that VMX file only. VMDK file is a virtual hard disk file. I just imported this VMX file in this. I just already named it Linux, so I just naming it back as Kali Linux. Actually this is Kali Linux only. In this VMware you can see that all these options, you can increase the RAM, processor, hard disk and everything according to your system capability. Give a RAM to your system and give bridge network. If you connect it to the Wi-Fi network, it will automatically give the IP as like your system have IP from the Wi-Fi. It will just act like a physical system in a network, and just give I copy it because VMware will take it all the configurations of network to best level. It will automatically configure the things whatever it requires. Just give enter, let it go. Kali Linux is the best pen testing tool of all times. Before 2016 it was called as Backtrack. Now it is called as Kali Linux. Kali Linux has various things. We can there's an application called Hydra, which have where we will just upload the dictionary of passwords. It will try attacking your website or something like that. Uh, for vulnerabilities or flaws. Hydra is the tool, and for hacking Android we just use Firetrap. We need to push a payload to the client or host that we are going to attack. Likewise, there is many tools hacking of Wi-Fi. We use EAP Wi-Fi hacking. You just logged in. Mm, you give exclusive mode so that you will not be give difference between your system and Kali Linux. It will show as like you install the Kali Linux in your system itself. uh, the username is root ROOT, and the password is tor TOOR. You can find that in all the forums and official websites of Kali Linux itself. After logging in, you can find lot of applications are already installed in it. There is terminals and metasploits and a lot of pen testing tools available in Kali Linux by default. There is a Whiteshark. Whiteshark used to track the packets of your network. So let's move with after this will be the initial installation or just startup with Kali Linux. In future tutorials I'll just show you how to proceed further with attacks and vulnerability testing. Before that, why white hat hackers and black hat hackers and other hackers uses VMware is, there is a perfect awesome option available in this software. If you're using this VMware, if you install this VMware today and you're going to take, you can take the option called snapshot. I'm taking the snapshot for now for backup. I'll just say explain you. If you're using install this ColorNext today, I'm did all the crappy things in that for the whole month, and you can revert back the same machine at the same state where you installed, with the same files, configurations, and everything. So I just wanted to show you something, but as a demo I just wanted to create a folder called test01 in this video. I just created it. I'll just delete this folder permanently from this Kali Linux, and I'll just revert back the snapshot and take you to the snap time where the snapshot folder is deleted. Yeah, I'm just taking the snapshot for now. The snapshot contains test folder 01. I'll just going to do delete this test01 folder, and I'm going to show you how it can be taken back to the state that we have the file as like same thing. So just a minute. Yeah, I have taken snapshot. Now I'm going to delete this folder, move to trash, and from trash I'm just deleting it permanently. You can find that, yeah, the folder is deleted permanently. Now I'm going to turn off the system. After turning off the system, I'm going to revert back the machine to the same state where I just left. You can find the test01 folder in that snapshot that I left on. I'm reverting back to the snapshot. Is this like in a timeline? If you love time travel, it will be a great thing to you. You can revert back to the same time that your lost changes has been made to your VM. So only hackers and a lot of pen testing experts and professionals use this software to make very easy way to go. Whatever you do things, you can take snapshot and revert back as like your thoughts and as like your wish. So it is a great tool for pen testing professionals. Just follow these videos. In the future videos or two, we'll just provide you. Yeah, here comes the test0 folder. I just deleted before you the test0 folder permanently, but you can find the test0 folder now. Yeah, so from this you can find that how it works. It is a great concept, how the virtual hard disk works and how the files can be retrieved with the, if we have the hard disk for 100 GB, virtual hard disk for 100 GB, it will give snapshot will be for 8 GB. You can revert back with that 8 GB to the 100 GB. You can find that in configurations like something like RAID in servers. We'll just get back to you with awesome videos in future. Sure, I will just update it. Please subscribe to the channel and support us. We are developit.net gangsters who not gangsters, and we are professional hackers who do everything. Thank you.